What is up, guys? Coming back from the garage. So I stated in my last video that I would do the oil change. I got the oil, so this is what we'll be running is AMS oil, synthetic, 100%, 5W50. So we'll be doing that right now, actually. Do a quick oil change, and then I'm gonna take it out for a little drive. And then I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. Okay, just did the oil change. Got some fresh oil in it. And just filled up full tank. Gas prices went down. Gas prices been looking a little scrumptious. Going to go with my boys right now. Just enjoy a drive out of it as well. But today was a decent day, not too bad. Just the weather's not cooperating with us at all. I feel the car is so much heavier with a full tank. It's actually crazy. As you guys can see, Natish's channel, as I told you guys, yeah, this car is back up and running. Really good shit. Happy for him. His car is gonna be running now. We're just waiting for the tune. And yeah, keep updated. He's got a couple surprises this year. For me, this year, not too much. It's gonna be the G. Main focus is just getting more seat time in the car and just yo, what's up, bro? Always gotta do a pull. If I ever see you guys, 100%. I know that guy is one of my boys, Alex. Nice to see him, bro. I think that's his first time seeing the G. The first time seeing it, right? Yeah, eh? Yeah. What's up, bro?
How's it feel?
It's fucking good. I just...
It sounds, I knew it was you right away. I was like, because I've never rapped it. But I'm like, I hear it.
Yo, I seen the G. I'm like, that kind of looks familiar, kind of.
It's just different. I have a single exit now.
Yeah. You headed home?
Yeah, I know.
G35, I know that guy.
I know you.
On the video. Yo, this video is turning out sick as fuck, dude. Yo, are you headed over there? Okay. Are we going the same way? Give me some rollers. All right. my boy. That's my boy. I don't know how the fuck I'm seeing everybody right now, bro. The video's gonna turn out sick. When it comes down to it, the interactions are the best. I appreciate the support. And yo, if you see me on the road, man, just let me know. I'll give you a show. Appreciate the support. Yeah, man, this is turning out to be a lot of fun. A couple of my boys are gonna be having their cars back up and running, so definitely, oh, nice C8 Corvette over there. Yeah, a couple of my boys, there'll be some new cars on the channel. They're gonna be doing a lot of builds, like boosted builds to be specific. We have a G37 that's going rear mount turbo, so that's gonna be really interesting. Built by my boy Gavin from GRN Performance. So shout out to Gavin again, making my kit, making his kit. And if you ever need a turbo kit, just let him know that I sent you and he'll bless it up. A couple other things, another G37 that's going to be boosted performance kit, that's in the works. So recording. It's actually crazy how much traffic there still is on a Thursday. Holy.